Imagine, what if this was the last generation that had to die? It sounds like science fiction, but for the first time in history, scientists aren't just trying to treat diseases. They're trying to stop aging itself. If they succeed, it could completely change what it means to be human. So, can humans really live forever? Every second, trillions of cells inside your body are working to keep you alive. They repair damaged tissues, fight infections, and replace old cells with new ones. But this system isn't perfect. As we get older, our cells become less efficient. Damage builds up, DNA accumulates errors, and old cells stop functioning properly. This gradual decline is what we call aging. For thousands of years, aging was considered unavoidable. Today, that idea is being challenged. Scientists are developing drugs called senolytics that remove damaged zombie cells from the body. Others are researching gene editing to repair faulty DNA. Artificial intelligence is also helping researchers discover new medicines much faster than before. The goal isn't just to increase lifespan, it's to extend the number of healthy years people can live. The results so far are promising. In laboratories, scientists have significantly extended the lives of worms, flies, and mice by changing specific genes or removing damaged cells. These discoveries suggest that aging may be more flexible than we once believed. But humans are far more complex, and no treatment has yet been proven to stop aging in people. Even if scientists eventually slow or reverse aging, immortality is another matter entirely. People can still die from accidents, infections, natural disasters, or other unexpected events. Living much longer is very different from living forever. There is also a bigger question. Should humans become immortal? If people stopped dying while birth rates remained the same, the world's population would continue to grow. Food, water, housing, and energy would face enormous pressure. Longer lives could also affect careers, families, retirement, and the balance between generations. A world without death would create challenges humanity has never faced before. Today, no one has discovered the secret to immortality, but science is advancing faster than ever. What seemed impossible just a few decades ago is now being tested in research laboratories around the world. So perhaps the real question is no longer, can humans live forever? Instead, it is, how long can science keep us alive? If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more videos about science, technology, space, and the future.